Welcome to Dantherm.
Découvrez.
Dantherm has worked with air conditioning since 1958 and has extensive experience and expertise in this field. The new range of Dantherm home ventilation units is designed from scratch in order to create a comfortable indoor climate. Efficiency and simplicity, both in installation and daily use, have been incorporated from the beginning of the development process. Dantherm HCV for vertical mounting is designed for mounting in standard 60 by 60 cm cabinets, for instance in a utility room or a back corridor. Dantherm HCH for horizontal mounting is designed for placement in attics. The new HCV HCH range uses the latest technology, and fan motors are selected according to their low power consumption. The unit is designed with optimum airways in lightweight styrene. Together with the demand control, the lowest possible specific fan power is achieved. The four models cover the need for ventilation in dwellings of up to 475 square meters. Dantherm's HC range is a ventilation system that is neither seen nor heard. It takes care of itself. It is energy efficient and economical to run. It solves all indoor climate problems and ensures a pleasant atmosphere with good clean air around the clock, even when the house is full of guests. Indoor climate problems for both people and materials are closely associated with high humidity, but problems with drying out can also occur if the air becomes too dry. The demand control ensures a good balance between the replaced air volume and the relative humidity. In this way, maximum comfort is ensured without unnecessary energy consumption. If further control or adjustment of the indoor climate is required, a range of accessories is available, such as external hygrostat, CO2 sensor, and pre- and after heaters. In practice, the user never has to think about setting or operating the unit once the installer has adjusted the system and switched on the automatic operation. The Dantherm HC unit is ready for operation when the installer has adjusted the correct air volume for the actual installation. Adjustment is easy and simple and takes place on the front of the unit, where the air pressure across the heat exchanger is measured. The measurements are used for final adjustment on the rear side of the panel. The control panel has three easy buttons to access the manual or automatic control of fan speed, and a push button for activating the bypass function, which is used for cooling with outdoor air. The remote control gives access to a number of additional features, such as different week programs, away operation, night operation, and various status values on the plant. The installation is always secured against incorrect and uneconomical operation over a longer period. Thus, more of the functions turn back to default settings after 4 hours. This prevents inconvenient, excessive energy consumption, if, for example, you forget that you have set the unit to full speed or manual bypass. Dantherm HC units are factory set with a filter alarm after the first 6 months of operation. The alarm rate can be set individually for each user's needs. All units have G4 compact filters as standard on both the supply air and the exhaust air. This will, in most cases, meet the demand for air purification. F7 filters are available as an accessory. F7 filters ensure that no allergy particles are getting into the house through the air. This provides better indoor environment for allergy sufferers. The filter change is simple and can be performed without using any tools. Remove the front door and the cover plates. Take out the filters on the supply and exhaust. Push new filters into place. Replace the filter cover plates. Reset the filter alarm and the unit is ready again. Used filters can be disposed of within your household waste. Dantherm has developed a sophisticated robot-operated production facility to manufacture their own lightweight aluminium counterflow heat exchanger that meets the high demands of modern and up-to-date ventilation systems. The counterflow heat exchanger recovers up to 95% of the heat from the extracted air. The heat exchangers are tailored to provide the highest possible efficiency with the lowest possible pressure loss at air volumes used for ventilation in dwellings. The home ventilation units meet the highest standards and are certified by leading authorities in relation to the demands made for ventilation in homes. Full reports can be ordered from Dantherm. Read more about Dantherm's home ventilation on www.freshairbuiltin.com.